Check it out. As you can see, I got the Xbox Game Pass. This is super cool, guys. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So this is super cool. Look at that, Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. That is crazy, guys. It actually works. I can't believe it. That's so fun. So now I can play all the games. Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get Xbox Game Pass completely for free. So what you need to do is get out your phone, and we're just going to go ahead and go over to this website. So it's called ogucoupons.com. So let me just type it in right here. So once you're on this site, the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and put in Xbox Game Pass. You can either search it up or you can find it. So I'm going to go ahead and look for it, and I'm going to go ahead and press get code. And before it actually generates the code, guys, there is going to be a verification step that we have to do. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do that. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So as you can see, guys, it is loading up. So I'm just going to wait, and then at the end, it's going to say show code, so go ahead and press that, and this is where it's going to start the verification. So basically, you just have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. You know, it's 100% free from official App Store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So for the first app, I'm going to do Evertail, so it's going to take me to the App Store. I'm going to go ahead and download it. So while this is downloading, I'm going to go back on the list apps and download another app. So you want to make sure you download at least 2 of the apps. So for the other app, I'm going to do Travel Town, so it's going to take me to the App Store. I'm going to go ahead and download it. So now I'm going to go to the home screen and just wait for these to download. They're pretty small, so I'm not really expecting a long wait time. So the Evertail is done, so I'm going to run it. I'm just going to do some basic interactions, you know, touching around, whatever. Nothing too crazy, so let me just go ahead and do that right here so you guys can see. All right, so I'm just playing through it. So yeah, it's super cool, guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that, as you can see. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and play through this. So I'm just going to go ahead and run this right here, as you can see. So let me just go ahead and do that. So I'm just playing through it right here, as you can see. So anyway, guys, I think we're pretty much done with this one. So now I'm going to go to the home screen and do the other app. So let me just go ahead and do this for a little bit more here, as you can see. So now I'm going to do the other one, which is Travel Town. So this one's another game. So I just got to play through it, you know, just doing some basic interactions. So let me just go ahead and do that right here so you guys can see. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and run this right here. So it's super cool. So let me just go ahead and do that, as you can see. So I'm just going to go ahead and play through this. Just doing some basic interactions. So let me just go ahead and do that right here, as you guys can see. All right, so I'm just running it right here. You know, super simple. So let me just go ahead and do that, as you can see. All right, so let's see the site. Let's see if we got the code. So, yo, guys, as you can see, we got it. So let's see if this actually works, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's redeem it and see if this is a real code or not. So I'm going to go ahead and type it in right here, and let's see what happens. All right, so I'm going to type it in, and we're going to see if it works or not. So I'm just going to do this right here, as you can see. All right. So let me just go ahead and do this. So I'm just going to type it in right here. So let's just go ahead and see if it works or not. So I'm going to redeem it, and then no, it says 10. So we'll just give it a couple seconds. All right, let's see if this actually works. All right, this is the moment of truth, guys. Let's find out. Yo, it worked. So be sure to try this out. It's super cool. Hope you guys enjoy the video, but that's how to get it for your device. So this is super crazy. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, try it out for yourself, guys. Get the word out. This is super amazing. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. So be sure to subscribe, and peace out.